How to use Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. Well, Amazon doesn't directly let you use Visa gift cards. Now to use a Visa gift card on Amazon, you essentially have to trick the site into thinking you are adding another credit or debit card onto your account and not using a gift card at all. Now to do so, first open up your Amazon application, and here you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and once you tap on it here, this might take some time to load up. Now here you can see various options. Now if you scroll down here, you can see your account option. Now you can see the gift card option. You don't want to head into the gift card option at all. You want to head into your account. Under your account you can see your payments. You want to simply tap on it, and under it you want to tap on add a payment method under cards and accounts. And once you do so, here what you want to do is first make sure the gift card has been activated. This should have happened at the time of the sale. Now next, check the card's balance. This is essentially important if you have already used it, as gift card often have activation fees. That $50 card may have actually a $49 balance. You'll need to know the exact dollar and cent numbers, so don't skip this step. Now once you do so, here go to accounts and list. As I told you, here come on to add a payment method option here. And once you come here, what you want to do is under the words add a payment method, click the labeled add a debit or credit card option, as you can see here on the screen. Now here what you want to do is you want to add the information exactly as shown on the card, meaning the card number, expiration date, and the name, which may be a gift for you or some other search statement, and then enter your address when prompted. Even though the card is not technically associated with any location, the next time you shop on Amazon, make sure to select the gift card you loaded as your payment. You can identify it by the last 4 digits of the card. So this way you can add the Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.